Oh. You are always you are free. Huh? Who is this man? Come in. What happened? You're okay? Monday you are not there. Why? Where? School. School exam is going on. Over. Tomorrow exam. English. You go, I don't know. I have no idea. When did we come? God knows. Oh, my dear friend, this is your bottle. Yes, for Monday we will where beginning? Monday you are there. Sit down. Sit down. More rested. Monday they will move over there. We got exam. And who's the other one? Puna. She came late, no? Right. Rishti is the one doesn't come. School he goes. School he is enjoying. No. Yes. And class she will not come. Sleeping time, no? Isn't it? Isn't it, Rishti? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Take the book, remove the bag. How are you?
Maybe.
Other people exams. So we have completed circles. Which exam over? Maths is over. What is over?
AI.
System?
Yeah.
What is that AI?
Artificial intelligence.
AI. I thought AR. So, either English. Two papers over. SST, AI, Hindi. When is math? Daily one exam? Friday. Friday we have class. Yeah. Homework, anything done? What did you do? Why did you do? Because so they didn't know how to do. I mean, what are you telling? Well, what is the problem? You're not sitting back because this is not for the exam. What is it? Then what is the problem? Reason why I'm asking? No reason. This is marriage in picnic model. Today also you went to picnic. So picnic, where did you go? Where did you go picnic?
Yeah.
Inside picnic. No place. Why are you wearing mask today? What happened? What happened? Headache. Headache, you will wear the mask. You don't because of picnic. I heard you are shouting over there in the picnic. How many days picnic? Only 2 days. 2 more days should have been there. Huh? You are not enjoy. You are not here. Picnic stop there. Yeah, how was the food? Food was okay. Not good. Chalo, okay. I don't know which one to come, only Muna may come. Okay, there is Angit. Yeah. All are in your own work. Other group of exams. Arya don't got exams. I think so. Okay, then let's start with the lecture now. Your this one. My dear, you people have to complete that homework exercise. I will do. Yeah. 2 questions you did. Now, if not means I will do one thing, listen. How many questions are there? 16 are there now. That's after today. You said you have exams when it is starting? Today you have started. Today you have huh? Tomorrow exam is there? No exam. Which exam you have today? How was the math paper? Nice? Sure. Sit down. Where you are sitting? You're sitting there. This man is crying. Picnic company is operating. Today you are extra class. All okay now? Mommy shouted. Chandra. Sleeping. Formula learned. Huh? I was speaking loudly. How when did you come out from picnic? Day before yesterday, not day after yesterday. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday means Monday. Monday over, Tuesday over, Wednesday over. Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday today you go. So let's listen. By Friday, this circle exercise is not done. Or today we will make. Circle exercise is over. Then what homework only you have to do. Okay, you are not there. By Friday, complete the homework exercise. You have circle in the exam, no? So that is why complete. Okay. Ask anything if there are here. Okay. Understood. You signed now? Okay. So please do it. And you don't come with 2 questions, 4 questions. Exam was there in the morning now. Yesterday was the exam now. Today, what time you came back from school? 2:45. So next day we complete it. So next week what exam we have? Huh? Day one student got one exam out.
Financial marketing and information.
So IT you have. So that is on Friday. So do complete now before that. No. I will do it next year. No. So do one thing, Next Friday means stay back over here and complete the work and go. I'm going to? Huh? Complete the work, okay. These 2 people no circle, nothing there. Circle is there in the no. For this exam also not studying, next exam also not. This exam everything studied. Okay. Surface area volume. Okay.
Yeah.
So we today in last class we completed the chapter circle. Even surface area, volume. That's sense. We forget about the surface people and all. Okay. So
We have.
there you go. You look here. Actually, you already done in 8-7 now. I'll ask the 8-7 questions. Very good. It coming in 10th standard. Then what do you do? So, cuboid here studied in 8-7. Okay, so I don't need to revise anything else. Okay, so already you know all formula. Tell cuboid. You know what is the cube? What is the difference between cube and cuboid? What is it? Yes, sir. Sides on length but height are equal. Okay, cuboid is what? All the sides are rectangle, and cube means all the faces are square. Okay, so and this one, these are solids. You take out chapter right, heading chapter right. Surface area and volume. If man knows all these formula, no? If the original is all surface area and volume. Surface area and volume. Written. Okay. Now, first we will talk about solids cuboid. Okay. How many faces are there? Heading like cuboid. Cuboid. Written. Spelling of cuboid all of you know. Okay. Shape all of you know. 8 standard done means quickly we will write formula and distribute. Okay. Who's it there? Teachers concept there. You cylinder also not coming. Oscar, later don't tell. No need to do. She's telling. One by one, don't tell. Your chapter is done in the school. Your chapter done. So, why paper in the paper? Okay, written. Right, cuboid. Number of pieces 6. Okay. If the question has find the dimensions means length. Number of faces 6 he wrote. Okay. Dimension means length L, B, H. Find the dimensions of the cuboid means what all things you have to find out? L, B, H. L represents what? Length. B represents breadth. H represents height. Okay. Written? Okay. Now, you know what do you mean by base? Base. What is the shape of the base? Rectangle. So what is the base area? Length into breadth. So right, base area is equal to length into breadth. Base area. Length into breadth. Written. Total surface area. TSA means total surface area. How many surfaces are there? 6 pieces are there. You look here. This volume. What is the shape of this volume? Cuboid. Okay, she's cuboid. Okay. There are this face also base top. This is another face, another face, another face, 6 faces. The area of this face and this face are same thing. 2L. This one 2BH. 2LH. Understood or not? Okay, this is LB, 2LB. 2BH plus 2LH. Whichever convenient way you can write, if you want to write 2. Whichever convenient way, if those who wanted to write 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH or 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. This is called the total surface area. Okay, 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. Next, do you know what implies lateral surface? Without the base and the top. How many faces are there? Like room. Room is this one, 4 walls. Okay, means LB will be removed. 2 times LB will removed. What is left out? BH and LH. Therefore, lateral surface area will be equal to 2H times L plus B. It is this part only. This LB is not there. Common factor is taken. 2H into L plus B. That is lateral surface area. Another way with another name is like area of 4 walls or area of vertical faces. Okay. Lateral surface area or area of 4 walls, that is equal to 2H times L plus B. Written? Next, volume is equal to LBH. Volume is equal to LBH. Length will be different into height. Written? Okay. These are the main formula for the listen. Cost and all you know how to find out. Okay. Multiply by the cost per unit surface means cost per meter square. Volume means cost per meter cube. Do you know what is the meaning of capacity? Volume. Okay. No. Beginning of surface, you don't know. How many days you are absent, you know? Now, next, so this is the volume. Now, next is right cube. Cube. Same number of faces. Okay. Number of faces 6. Dimension. Dimension. It is known as A, S, L, whichever you write. If I write A, it is called its edge. Okay. Edge of the cube. It's side of the cube. All same meaning only. Here side edge of the cuboid is LBH. Side of the cuboid LBH. Here edge of the cube means all are same side. Therefore it is A or S over here. One by one. Base area. Square. A square. Total surface area 6A square. If you are writing S means 6S square. Because all are same. LB is A square, BH also A square. This also A square is added. That is 3A square into 2, 6A square. Next is I wrote TAS, not AS, TSC. Lateral surface area means 4 walls. How much? 4A square. And its volume is equal to A cube. Volume is equal to A cube. I have to remember all these. Okay. Lateral surface area, volume. So these are the cases for which one? Cube. Cuboid is written, cube is written. Okay. Next. Third one is called cylinder. Inner shape of the cylinder. What? Huh? Dabba. Pipe. What is the shape of this one? What is the shape? Cylinder. What is the shape of this one? Bottle. Okay, this is a cylinder. Okay. How many faces are here? One. There is one circle. Finally, 3 decided. Okay. 1 started, 2, 1, 3. 4 is not there now. So this is one face, another face, and a curved surface. It's a curved surface. So 3 faces are there. So right cylinder. When you talk about the solid means you know it is not all empty and all. Solids are there. Okay. Cylinder. Number of faces. How many? 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. 3. Okay. Dimensions. Dimensions.
height, and
Dimensions are R and H. R represents radius of the base. H represents height. Okay. R represents the radius and H represents. R is the radius and H is the height. Okay. Now, this cylinder is also known as right circular cylinder. If cylinder, right circular cylinder, same thing only. If base is circle, whenever base is a circle, that cylinder is called which one? The right circular cylinder, and height will be perpendicular to the base. Okay. Cylindrical shape on I don't need to write now. Base area. You know what is the base area? It is a circle. Okay. Base area is equal to pi r square. This area of the circle. Okay. Written? No. Circle pi r square. Next. CSA. Do you know what you mean by CSA? Short surface area. You know what is the formula? 2 pi r h. CSA is 2 pi r h. Short surface area. Pi r h. Okay. Next is total surface area. How many phases are there? 3 phases. So 2 pi r h and 2 times pi r square. That is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. You can take common. Either you remember this way or you can take what is common over here. 2 pi r. What is left out? H plus r or r plus h, whichever you write. 2 pi r plus h or 2 pi r, h plus r. This is the cylinders. Base area, CSA to TSA. Next is volume. You know what is the volume? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. According to you all, this all you have learned in 8th standard. Okay, then you can learn in 8th standard now. Or both of you learn in 8th standard. I'll ask question now. Huh? Every time you write then whatever we study for the 9th also revising, 8th also revising. Now, next. Yes, Brishti has learned anytime? Yes, when? Vacation you learned. You know all this formula. Okay, now. Next is, right, you know what you mean by hollow cylinder? What? Huh?
Without base.
Right, hollow cylinder. Open cylinder, okay, pipe. Hollow cylinder, cylindrical pipe. Hollow cylinder. Capital R is its external radius. What happened? Capital R is external radius. This is what are small r. Internal radius. Smart people. How many people? So small r is its internal radius. So outside radius and inside radius are two different things now. Yes or no? Pipe you see. If you see from pipe you see from out. Yes. Okay, Adya explain. Yes. See, when a pipe there is a thickness is there now. So outside radius, that is external radius, that we represented by capital letter R and internal radius. Next, one more thickness. Width or thickness. thickness is equal to capital R minus small r. Thickness is equal to R minus R, capital R minus small r. Written? Okay, that is called the thickness of the this one. And height is h. Okay, then
CS.
external CSA, outside CSA means outside of this one. That is 2 pi. Which RH? What is the radius? Capital RH. 2 pi capital RH. Okay. Internal CSA. External EXC means external CSA. And the next one is what? Internal CSA.
2 pi small r h.
Okay. 2 pi small RH. Internal CSA is equal to how much? 2 pi small RH. Do you know what is its base area? Where is it? Base square. Base of square. Base nail. Pi r. Pi r. Pi r. Okay, there is a base. Base is called the circular ring. Look over here. There is a circular ring is there. Thickness, you know what is the meaning of circular ring? See, this is thickness is nil. Little more thick means you can see there is a. So this one base is coming. If you see this one, there is a circular ring is there. Base is there. You know what is the shape of the base?
Ring.
Ring. You know what is this? What is the meaning of circular ring?
2 pi big R minus small r square.
What is this 2 pi? This is the base shape.
Only pi r.
Okay, there is a circular ring. Do you know what is the area? Base area is equal to pi r square minus r square, big R square minus small r square. This is the base area. Are you followed? Not pi r. Are you look now? This is, have you seen a pipe? Now, if you see the bottom of the pipe, what is it? Nothing is there. There is a thickness is there now. Yes or no? What does it look like? There is out inside one circle, outside one circle. That is a small surface is there now. That is this one. How do you get outer area minus inner area? That is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. That is pi r square minus r square. That is called which area? Base area. Okay, Tavish, have you followed? All of you following? Next, volume of metal. Do you know what is the meaning of volume of metal? Means how it is used, what metal means volume of the whatever it is used, substance used to make that cylinder. Okay, that is equal to again outer volume minus inner volume. Yes or no? Pipe means you know that thickness part only the metal is there now. Have you seen this one? Out therefore, what 2 pi RH? Volume is 2 pi RH. Pi outer volume is pi capital R square H minus pi small r square H. Pi H times R square minus R square. There were two pen's brought. Are you followed how it is getting? Okay, this is the condition. It is coming as what? It is coming as which one? The outer volume minus inner volume. Done. That is clear. Followed how it is. External volume means capital R. Internal volume means small r. Height will remain the same for this one. This is the volume of metal used. Okay. Now, next is according to the question we will do. There is not be paint in your textbook. Not book, but not on the board test. Okay. Okay. Now, so written all of you. Okay. Volume written, volume of the metal written. Already you wrote the book on. Yes or no? I don't need to make you to write the words on. No? Okay, let's be here. Huh? Written. All of you know the formula? You know the formula? The word that I mean that. What is it? Pi r bracket. Then I can see what is it? Asking chairman. Pi r times L plus R. Okay, so you have to learn the formula. Without knowing the formula, you cannot do this chapter. Understood? Okay. Now, this one, the first part, in a school teacher has done or any of the school it was done now. The chapter is not done. Chapter 1 and 2 exercise is not done. Yeah. 7 Cube and cuboid, I don't need to explain. Okay, questions also no need to do. If any of the school is done, this one, tell me. But you have to remember this formula. Okay, so I'm your school, this chapter is done. Which chapter is going on now? Circle. Just started. When is your exam? Not so. APJ, no? Okay. So we are not, I am also not doing exercise 30.1 and 2. We have done exercise 30.3. All of you, we are done now? Yes. Volume based 30.1 and 2 only not done, or 5 and 6 also not done.
Cube, pivot, cylinder.
Wherever it is not done. There are volume particles coming now. Okay. 35 will be I think in the two volume of the soil. Okay. Yeah. All of you do one thing. Take the exercise page number 166. We have done all the desktop, all these things we have done now. Okay. Now, okay, 1, 2 questions on the homework exercise. Okay. Question number 7 and question number 8. Homework question 7 and 8. Yes. Sarthak is going to give the question of 7. Yes, Sarthak. Yes.
A circle stand is in the form of a right circular cylinder and a right circular cone of its width. The diameter and the height of the cylindrical part of the tent are 126 meters and 5 meters respectively. The total height of the tent is 21 meters. Find the total surface area of the tent. Use 5
I go 22 by 7. Then
also find the cost of the tent if the canvas used cost rupees 12 per square meter.
all of you followed what is the meaning of the question? What now? What is it now?
It is given height is equals to 5 meter and the height is equals to 20.
They read the question once again. Okay, all of you read the. You all are drawing on this one. One is painting on the one is. I need all three. You have to remove this and go. It is not that you will just give. I go on the painting on the wall. Okay. Yes. Where is the volume? This is the last time also you came. What's over here? Notebook is not there. Volume is not there. You came over here. The surface tent. One, how many parts are there? These cylinders?
Cylinder.
One, there is a cylinder, and the top of the cylinder, what is it? Cone. So if you see, there is a cylindrical part. It is there. Whose this is the cylindrical part. It is okay. Then on the top, where is what is it? There is a conical part. Okay. This is circle is only there. There is no circle over here. I just okay. Okay, what is the diameter of the cylinder? 126. That means this is 126. And what is the height of the cylinder? 5 meters. Therefore, this is 5 meters. And read the question. Yeah. Then what is the next part? Read. Hey. Next part. Read.
The total height of tent is 20.
Total height of the tent, not the cone height. Is from here. 21 meter. Understood? Who said this one? You said. Not right. She said cone tent. Okay. Therefore, what is the height of the cone?
16.
16. Because this is 5. Then what is the radius of the cone? Or diameter of the cone is 1. This is 63 will be there. This is 63 will be there. Are you followed the condition? Yes or no? Okay. If you look at the tent, you can imagine. No need to draw the figure and draw. There is a tent. There is a cylindrical part. Then there is a which part is there? Conical part. Okay. Cylindrical part separated is one diameter is equal to 126. So therefore, radius is equal to 63 and height is equal to 5 meters. Total height of the tent is 21 meters. Total height of the that means this height of the cone is equal to 16 meters. And
21 minus.
so that is 21 minus. Okay, fine. And the other one will be radius will remain same. This much is all of okay. Now first is what we need.
Curves of the cylinder.
How curves of the cylinder we can find out. What is the question asked? Find the total surface area of the tent. So therefore, how many surfaces are there for this tent? 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So finally, how many people want? Raise the hand. You see only one surface. And then look here, one surface means how many parts in the shape of solids? How many people? 2? Anyone feel 2? No. Anyone feel 3? You are what? 5. Actually, you feel 3. Okay. Anyone feel 4? Yours is what? 3. 4. 1. 4. Now 4. You keep on everything. 1 also and 2 also everything. And you? 3. You will not raise the hand. Rishti has no idea. No opinion. 4. Decided 4. Now look here. Who said that 3? Okay, tell which house fixes.
4, 1, the cylinder had 2 and the base.
Yes, you.
That circle also.
This circle. Then you. Now have you seen circus in it? All of you listen. No. Now look here. This one is there is no surface to be made over here. There is no surface to be made. Floor is what? Floor. This one is the ground only. In the ground there is no surface to be made. So there is no surface to be made. You are separating it over. There is nothing over here. It is open only now. So there is no surface. There is only 2 surfaces. 4. Nicely only 5. Okay. So there are only surfaces, 2 surfaces to be made. Which are 2 surfaces? Same angle. One surface. Now there are people said 1, there are people said so everything people said finally, listen now. Are you followed? There is no ground to be made. It's the floor you don't need to make. You don't need to make this open. So basically you have to find out how many surfaces to be made. Okay, 2 surfaces. Okay, suppose if I want to make like this water bottle. Okay, to make, I have to make a base over here. Since it is open over here, it is a 2 cylinder joint now. I have to make one, this one. I have to make another one. I don't need to make over here. I need to make here this one and then if I make it, I can cross. But no. Like that you have to think and do it. Okay, so what are the surfaces are there? Okay, so here how many surfaces are there basically? two surfaces. Which are two surfaces? CSA of the cylinder and CSA of the cone. What is CSA of the cylinder? Array, how would you find out curve surface area? 2. So we did it semester. 2 pi r. 2 pi r. How do you find the CSA of the cone? Pi r. Okay. Formula ready-made, it will not be there. I have to ask the formula. Okay. Formula ready-made, I have to ask you people now. Okay. So what are the things we today have?
No, on board chemistry.
Okay. Prishti, when are you going to learn the formula? Learn already. Huh?
Next class.
What she said?
Still on this paper.
They meaning all learned. Madam, what are you doing here? What is? Everything is filling. You all notebooks are, all textbooks are showing. I told you match. Everywhere line painting all these things to do. Okay. Now over here, so please learn the formula. Okay. So you have to, we have 2 pi r h. You have r, you have h. Yes or no? For getting this one CSA pi r, and you have r, you have l. Where is L? L is not there now, so you have to calculate L. Okay, so right. For the cylinder, yes, Avni, all things are there. For cylinder, what is where is L? L is right for that. For the cylinder, radius is equal to 126 divided by 263. H is equal to how much? 5. These are units. Meter. Okay. Now, for the cone, R is equal to 63 meter. I can take another capital H you take because small h is used. That is 21 minus 5. 16 meter. I hope all of you followed this much. Now you have to find out L. How do you get L? L square is equal to R square plus H square. R square is 63 square plus 16 square. Can you find out? Do it for no figure required. You want the figure? CY means cylinder. Okay, cone. All values given. 60. So after you have to calculate with everyone because you when all stop writing, you start writing. That is the way. Along with this one, all are doing this calculation. Now you start doing, not that way. Square and add. Wrong.
5.
63 square is how much? 3969. Huh? What happened? 4225. Do you know what is the square root?
Yeah.
42.
65.
That is equal to 65 will come. Now, how did you get 65? Any idea? Factorized or division method. Because it is near to 63 and this you'll get the corresponding way, okay? Okay. Now, next one. Complete all of you.
Cos surface area 4.
CSA of the cone. Sorry, no, this means you wrote now. Then after that you write surface area, TSA of the tent.
5T.
If it is given TSA of tent is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of 4. That is equal to 2 pi RH plus pi RL. That is,
Pi R.
if you want to pi R, you can take common 2H plus L. Pi is 22, pi 7, R is how much? 63. See, if the values, common values, you can take common. H is how much? 2 into 5 plus.
Sir, which H will be?
You check now which H. Cylinders H is coming now.
Acha.
Okay, L is 65. This I can cancel 9. 22 into 9. 10 plus much 65, 75. See the calculations. Combined and do it's easy. Separately do it, sometimes it will be complicated.
We will add.
Huh?
We will add.
Sometimes different calculations will be 2 times you have to calculate now. This one we can calculate once only, no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
I will multiply at you. She's asking what is the product, what is the product. My dear friend, actually you are waiting others to multiply. Actually, mental marks, you know. Find out, okay. All of you multiply. Examination you have to, you all have to do now. Not one person do and do. Hey, hello, look, much long back there are people got that. Okay. That. There are others also. How many of you got the answer? 1, 2, 3. You did wrong. I got the answer wrong. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Sarthak, you got any answer? Adya, you got the answer?
Yeah.
What is the answer?
1485.
1, 4. Huh? Who's that? The same thing only you got? Huh? Same thing. 14850. This is easy to multiply. Look here. 75 into 2 is 150. 150 into 11 is 1650 into 9.
I did not try.
Anyway, that is your way to do it. This page is clear. This is the area of the canvas. Okay. Now, right, area of canvas is equal to area of canvas is different. Area of canvas is same thing. Cost per meter square. How much? 12 rupees. Therefore, cost of canvas. Multiply and get. Don't shout the answer. Let's see. I will ask someone. Tavish, I need answer from you. There are people. Wait. Sarthak also getting very good. Those who got the answers, raise the hand. You both of you lower your hand. No, don't tell it's wrong. Got it, Tavish? Sarthak got it. Fast. Before everyone gets Sarthak the answer. Got it. Tell now. Huh? Oh my goodness, 14850 multiplied by 12. Huh? 117. Rajim Della. Okay. So 178200. Okay. Rupees 178200. 1,78,000. How many of you got this answer? Okay. This is the value you're getting. Okay. Now I'm going to ask one by one. I will not ask in the you people shower. One by one, I will ask the answers. Okay. This is done. So okay, now the question number, this was question number 7. Now which is the 8 question. Yes, Priyanshi, read the question.
That side of the diameter of the conical form are 25 meters and 20 meters. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at 60 paise per square meter.
Okay, now tell me, conical comb is in the shape of a conical comb is in the shape of a cone. You have to whitewash its surface. So how many surfaces to be whitewashed? If you people be quiet, she will tell 1 surface or 2 surface, 3 surface. Those who be 3, raise the hand. 2, raise the hand. 1, raise the hand. Nothing, raise the hand. You have nothing. Okay. There is only 1. You don't have its place, you can see it funny. Conical comb, you know, mayonnaise, all these things, have you heard about? Where they are buried. Comb, you know, you don't know what is a comb. Previously, these all things and all this one, you may, why Taj Mahal is built? There are places are there, you know, you go to this one, mainly in the Muslims and all the tombs are there. Okay. Okay. Kabar is done. Kabar is about Kabar is okay. Kabar is done. Okay. Tom, okay. Tom means something. Hello. That is not Kabristan is not the country, Pakistan is the country. Very good, knowledge. Who's the you haven't saw SSC?
No.
I'll tell the teacher. Oh, you are not school also not studying, huh? Okay. Yes. Can you call also keep on friends are there? That is no very because duty time people are calling. Sir, actually got to speak up for example. This I can be that one, you know, we are not coming to you for all. Who is there at home? Mummy is there, na? I'll call Mummy and tell if the thing is going on. She knows that we are not coming to you. How many days it will not come? Not. Certainly study, no? It's a daily study. I think I'll ask question from their subject. And without studying math, there is a there will learn. You don't want to study math. Well, daily math is subject which you need to do daily. Okay, you do math. Great, huh? Sometimes there is a problem. The subject you need to do regularly is called the subject is called maths. Okay. If you don't do it, then you will not be able to study. That is a problem for you people. You have to do daily. How many times is it? At least 5 times in a day to practice. Huh? Okay. Otherwise, you will be out of place. Then you will not be able to do it. How many times I said? Because of exams and all, I am not asking to show the books. Huh? Still they are not doing it. Okay. Yeah. No, right, so then how many faces? Now, suppose it's the spawn, only one face. Then you have to whitewashing means which face has to be whitewashed? Curved surface. So what is the CSA of the con? IRL. What all values are given over here? Huh? R is given. What is the value of R? Huh? What all things are given? Tell them. For diameter 14, therefore radius is equal to 14 divided by 2, 7 meter. Then L is given 25 meters. So what do you have to find out? CSA. And CSA formula is pi RL multiplied by the cost. All of you do it. Right. R is 7 meter, L is 25 meter, therefore CSA. Right, pi RL. Replace. Do it fast. That is why. Hey, nobody shout. I think nobody shout at Elena. Radius is equal to 14 divided. Thinking, what is that thing? Replace the value, my dear. I 22 by 7. R is 7. L is 25. So 22 into 25. Multiply. Hey, she got. Then remaining part what I have to get? What's the message? 550, 550 got, is good. Okay, 550 what meter square. Okay, now cost per meter square is equal to how much? 80 paise. How will you get 80 paise to convert? 80 upon 100. That much rupees. Who is that? Then, as you also show. Then, cost, therefore, total cost of whitewashing, polishing what?
Whitewashing.
Is equal to, so right, whitewashing 80 by 100 into 550. See, why I am writing this one means you can cancel these or don't make it to decimals. So 55 rupees 443. Have you followed the how to get it?
Yes.
Yes, formula is in front of you, answers are there. 440. Formula is there means answers are very easy. But you have to learn the formula and identify it. Complete. Cost per meter square is equal to 80. 80 is paise, okay? This is paise. Now, completed. Cost of what? Check in your books. We look in the book, cost of painting, cost of whitewashing. Okay, so look in your book and write. Now, we have to do that exercise over now. We have to do exercise 13.4. We are done, started doing?
No.
Nothing is done? Okay. One by one, I will ask to do it now. Okay. Last time also I did one. Nobody will shout the answers. Priyanshi and Askia. Okay, sometimes Amni also. Now need to shout the answers. Okay. See, question number exercise 13.4. Okay. First question. First of all, value of pi is equal to how much? 22.7. Okay. Now, what do you have to find out? Find the surface area of the sphere with the radius. So, value of the radius is given. You have to find out the surface area. So, first one, R is equal to how much? 10.5 centimeter. Is there anyone remember how to remove the decimal? No. Why?
These are not that good.
Anyone remember? 0.5 is how much?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So 10 and a half. Not play into 1 by 2, mixed fraction. If you know, do it. 21 by 2.
Wow.
This is 21 by 2, or therefore you have to find out surface area. Do you know what is surface area of the sphere?
Yes.
4 pi r squared. 4 into 22/7 into what happened? Wait. You do it. I just substituted. Then the remaining you will do it. This time we could have got the answer. All are doing in the long way.
I got it.
You got
But I got
huh? Huh? Look now. Shh. If you do this way, it's a very simple way to do it. So what is left out? 22 into 63. That only you have to multiply. How much time is required? But you have to get these all things. Nobody will write. Wait, so you have to get now. What is the meaning of 2.5? What is 2.5 is equal to 10? 1 by 2, 2.5. 5 by 2. Then next is 3.5. 7 by 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Okay, 3.25. Let me see. 3 1 by 4. How much? 13 by 4. Are we following? 9.25. Let me see. 9 1 by 4. And for 36. See, it's easy to do it. Don't think it's complicated. 25?
Then what is 1.7?
Okay, you how listen, Adya, how do you do 25.25? Okay, your method.
What?
How do you do? Tell me. Not you said it's difficult, so which is your 25, not into 1 by 4. 25 1 by 4. 25 cos 100. Easy now. And 3.75. 3 by 4. How much? 15 by 4. 5.75. How much? 5 3 by 4. How much? 23 by 4. Are you following? This way it's easier one. For basically only for point. Remember these only. 0.5 is half. 0.25 is how much? 1 by 4. 0.75 is 3 by 4. 0.5 means 0.50. Huh? 5.6 and all you cannot do. That is 56 by 10. She is asking next question. Smart girl. So, right, R is equal to 5.6 centimeter. All of you do it. Second one, R is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Let's see who will get. We will get all will get. One got. Then see you are doing long game. One looking down here. Rest got. All of you stop. This much is time is more than enough. Double. Look here, all of you. Stop writing and listen. It is not immediately you have to multiply. Listen carefully. Stop writing. First is cancellation. If it is there, you have to do cancellation. If you are facing problem in decimal, what you do is 4 into 22 by 7 into 56 by 10 into 50. Let me quiet now. You can see this is 8. This if it is 10, cancel with 5. If it is there, cancel. Otherwise, don't cancel. Because otherwise, because later you can see. Now you can see 22 fours are 88 into 56 into 8 divided by 100. Multiply and put 2 places of decimal. That only your work. Are you followed? Then some you people are done. Some I've seen most of you are done 5.6 into 5.6, then cancel. Not that one. If it, even without decimal, you can cancel it. This is 0.8. Those who know. If you don't know, make it one step. Okay. Then multiply. So you have multiplication 88, 56, and 8. Some of the questions you don't have this much multiplication also. That's why carefully. Okay, depends upon. Huh? Answer will come in decimal. 2 places of decimal will come. After multiply, put 2 places of decimal. 88 into what is it? Cheating. When you multiply these all, did you multiply?
Yeah.
88 into 8 into 56 multiply. You got it. You got it. What did you get? 39424 divided by 100. That is 394.24 centimeters square. See, this is the way to do it. Okay, are you following? Okay. Huh? What happened? Wait. Huh? At the previous one, when you were writing, they did not ask. Read the third one. R is equal to 1/4. This is easy. All of you do it. That's the answer. This one, without mistake, it's very simple. We actually got one looking behind. Don't look, not confirm. The exam also you will. Hey, hello. The examination also you do this way. Okay, there. So after got the answer. Fast to it. It's still Priyanshi. Which is talking. She was the quietest girl. She is now talking more. Because of the answer. Yeah. Okay. Only Sarthak to get. This is 2. So 88 into 28. That only one multiplication. Only you have to do it. How much? Understood or not? Okay. Okay. Check what is done. You have to do that way. Not multiplication, cancellation first. Understood? Be careful. Now find the surface area of the sphere whose diameter is given. So D is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, R is equal to 14 by 2, 7 centimeter surface area. All of you do it fast. This is more easy. You instead of 8, you do. Sarthak, what is to be done? Cancel. Then 88 into 7. Got it? Still multiplication. What is the answer? What is the answer? 616. All of you got? Okay, second one. Second one, what is the question? D is equal to 21 centimeter. R is equal to 21 by 2. Do that. Cancel, do it. This we are already done.
Yes.
1, 3. This was already done now. What so far? You are the first person to do. This was already, we have done the first question. Yes or no? Next one, 3.5 meter. Diameter is equal. Remove the decimal, how much you will get? 7 by 2. Don't make that way. R is equal to 7 by 4. Either you write 35 by 10 and cancel. Both the ways you can do it. Therefore, 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. Always cancel first. Are you following? Do it faster.
I want.
Yes. Why is it wrong? This girl is looking at the
I got it.
Vrishti, sorry, not Vrishti, Priyanshi. Who got the answer?
Oh, okay.
You got the answer? Arey, my dear girl, what's she doing this much calculations?
I don't know.
Then look now, you don't know. This 4 and 4 is cut. This and this is cut. This is cancelled with 2. 11. 11 into 77 by 2. 477 by 2. What are you doing? That was Anika got first. Yes or no? 38.5 meter square, no? Unit 10. Understood or not? Company. Everyone is so fast. You also get fast. This much. What was your mistake? Adia, 4 times you say mistake. Okay. Now, next, what is the next question? Go
Find the surface area of a sphere of radius.
Radius. So, what is the formula? This is very simple. R is equal to 10. 10 what? 10 what? Centimeter. TSA, what is the formula? 3 pi r square. 2. Who is the cube set? Then, look here. The value of pi is given as how much? You don't need to do anything, it's very simple. 3 into 340. 9, wrong. Are 1 3 multiplication only na? Are you followed? All of you do one thing.
What?
Do one thing. Put stop writing. Stop writing. All of you stand up. Take out the page for sphere and hemisphere. Learn the formula and set. Because all I just see looking the formula and reading and doing. 2 minutes. What is it? What to? You got sphere, hemisphere formula. Take it and learn. Then start doing. You have the formula now. Learn the formula of sphere and hemisphere. If you learn, please sit down. I'm going to ask, okay. Done. Down. My dear friend,
Yes, sir.
see all results and from yes, that these are you'll be getting more marks. Possible? On this, you will do it.
Yes, sir.
Good. You can do it. Is it not? Navish, do fast. Sit down, sit down. Now. Okay, learn it and come. Okay. The number 4. Read the question.
The radius of a spherical is from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. As air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the two cases.
You have to find out what ratio. Ratio means you don't need to calculate the surface areas. Okay, because it will be cancelled. First, what was the radius? 7. Then second one, 14. So you will write R1 is equal to 7 centimeter. R2 is equal to how much? 14 centimeter. Then S1 is equal to 4 pi R1 square. That is equal to 4 pi into 7 square centimeter square. No need to do at last if you want. They did not ask to find out what is the surface area. S2 is equal to 4 pi R2 square. That is 4 pi into 14 square centimeters. Are you following this match? Then below you will write ratio. Ratio is equal to S1 upon S2. Value substitute 4 pi into 7 square divided by 4 pi into 14 square. You can see cancellations. 7 into 7 or 14 into 14. All cancellations will get. Check the steps. It's all simple ones only. If you are going to calculate, that will be long. Ratio means sometimes they'll ask find the surface area. Then you have to what you have to find out first. You have to identify. Okay, are we followed? No problem. Avni, Sarthak, Prishti following. Okay, next one. Huh? Ratio what is what you got it? What are you doing there? Can you understand my language? What is my language? What did I tell? What did I tell? That means you don't listen, you are not where you do. That is the answer to that. What did I tell? It is not that close your ears and do it. So then all got the answer and I calculated. What is they did not ask to calculate. Will you get the mark? They asked to find the ratio. I said 2 times, no need to calculate. You first you calculate forward. You have to find out the surface area and divide. So there is no need to calculate. In the case, here you can, if your pi, you can cancel. Suppose pi was 17, what did you do? You don't cancel, you put decimals and such. So what you have to do means, you have to make into the form and do it. Use your brain. Understood? Not that nobody asked to find out surface area. They asked to find the ratio. So you accordingly you find out. Understood or me? Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Okay. Actually.
This circle made of glass has given diameter 5 centimeter. Find the cost of packing it on the inside at rate of 60 per 100 centimeters.
So, what is it? What is the shape? What is there here? Hemispherical form. Hemisphere. Then made up of what? Brass. Inner diameter is given as how much? 10.5 centimeter. What you have to do? Find the cost of tin plating. It's inside. So inside means what you have to find out? Inside CSA you have to find out. What is CSA in the hemisphere? 2 pi r square. So diameter, alright, D is equal to 10.5. D is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Convert into fraction. 21 by 2. 21 by 2 centimeter. Therefore, radius is D by 2. Means in the denominator, do it 21 by 4 centimeter. CSA is equal to 2 pi r square. It's the hemisphere. 2 times 22 by 7 into 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. Answer, keep it fraction only. All of you do it. Cancel first, answer to it, keep it in fraction. Get the answer now. Too much. I did not ask anything. Oh, nice.
I got.
Look here. You don't need to. This one multiplies it. 2 into there. 2s are 6 is 11. Okay. That is multiplied. Who is that crossing it? Then it is coming as. Why is that 8 is coming?
You kept it 8.
Where?
I didn't do.
Who's that 8? What is the answer he said?
693 by 4.
No, you said 8.
There it is 5.
So 63 into that is 693 divided by 4, that makes centimeter square. Now, cost per meter square is how much? 16 rupees per 100. That is 16 divided by 100. Are you followed? What is the 16 rupees per 100 centimeter square? Therefore, cost of tin printing. Tin plating is equal to 16 by 100 into 693 divided by 4. Now you cancel this on 4. Multiply by 4 and put 2 place of decimal. Are you followed the way to do it? 693 multiplied by 4. Two seven. 2772 divided by 100. That is 27.72 rupees. Is it they asked to round off? Then don't do. Okay. Are you following or not? Look, try to do in a simpler way. Now, if you are going to make it a decimal again. Okay. Understood or not? What is it? Yeah. Okay now. Christy, daily please practice. This is only years after that at home, forget everything. Next slide over. Okay. Next question. Yes. Easy. Okay, repeat the question, Christy. So do it now. Surface area is given. Do.
I got the answer.
Yeah. Surface area is clear now. Okay. Surface area formula is what? 4 pi r square. So surface area is given as how much? 154. Right. Surface area is equal to 154. How much centimeter square? Then replace and get the value. This is the formula. You will put 154 is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 multiplied by r square. Cross multiply. So r square will come 154. This 7 will come 4 into 22. Wrong.
I got
How was the you got r square, you got 22 sevens are 12.2. Therefore, r square is equal to 49 upon 4. R is root of 7, 49 by 4. 7 by 2. What the question is asked? What is the question asked? Radius or diameter? Then make him do decimal 3.5 centimeter. How 12.5 for 20? Be careful, okay? Are you following? It's all direct calculation type of sums only. Those who are not following, tell me, I will explain again, okay? Not that just simply write copy down and sit out there. That was question number which one? Sixth one, no? Now we will do the 7th one. Okay. Next. After me, not reading any question. Also, you read now. Without telling, we are all people are reading. So, diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Listen carefully. What is the shape of moon and earth? Spherical we take, okay. You take exactly, it is not for but here it is sphere based. This one is followed. Diameter is 1/4. Diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Then what will be the radius of the moon? How much?
1/8x.
Diameter is relation between diameter of the moon and diameter of the earth is what diameter of the moon is 1/4 the diameter of the earth. What is the relation between radius of the moon and the radius of the earth?
Right.
Means how much? Radius of the moon is equal to
1/8.
1/8 radius of the earth. Yes, yes, which is wrong. Why is it wrong? Sure. See. I will also ask. See, listen. I will tell now. You stop writing. Let's say the diameter of the earth is equal to 64. Then what will be the diameter of the moon?
64.
Divide, 16, no? So for earth it is diameter is equal to, let's say, as 64. Therefore, what will be the moon? 64 divided by 60. Yes or no? Okay, now listen, and that is not the question to write. If what will be the radius of the earth?
65.
Divide 64 divided by 2 is how much? 32. What will be the radius? 16 divided by 2, 8. Yes or no? So, how much? 8 is how much of 32? 1/4. No? Then how did he tell 1/8? Array, there is no array followed or not. If diameter is 1/4, radius also will remain 1/4. Understood? Both are dividing by 2 now. Not that one place only divided by 2. Poor radius only, poor earth only will be divided by 2. Moon, they got it. All right. That is the first mistake don't make. Right. Since diameter of that thing can do, it's very important. Right. Diameter of moon. Right. Diameter of moon is equal to how much? 1/4 diameter of earth. Therefore, radius of moon is equal to 1/4 radius of earth. This much all of you followed? Okay. Now, next is, what will you take? Some variable.
X.
What will be x?
Radius of
Radius of moon you take, then will be radius of earth will be become cross multiplication. Now, let radius of moon is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 1/4 into radius of earth. Are you followed or not? Therefore, what is the radius of earth? Radius of earth is equal to 4 into x, 4x. Are you followed? 4 will come. Otherwise, fraction will come. Next. Ratio of the surface area now. Surface area of moon. 4 pi r square. What is r? X no? 4 pi x square. Now, surface area of earth. Again, the moon divided by x. Now, earth is coming now. Is equal to 4 pi times 4x square whole square. How much will be this one?
16x square.
4 pi into 16x square. If you want to multiply, multiply. Now, what ratio you have to find out?
Of
What to what?
Of the surface.
So, first is given moon or earth? Moon. So, surface area of moon upon surface area of earth is equal to, moon is what? 4 pi x square divided by 4 pi times 16x square. Cancel 1 upon 16, the ratio is 1:16. Carefully do it. Otherwise, the ratios will not. Okay. You have to be very careful. Think and do it. When it is divided, that side also divided. You people thought only one side only divided.
No, that I got it.
Understood or not? Okay, so be careful. Okay, that was the question number which one?
7.
7. Two more are there. Is you have to complete.
What is? You say it down.
What is the hurry? What is it? Time is there now. You want how many questions there are something which is there for you.
I got my gift already.
It's also good. Okay, question number 8.
Yes. Understanding the how.
So I asked how many to read. What is the answer? Okay, let's okay, I'll give it to you. If mistake is there, you do. Okay. Explain the question.
So it is a spherical bowl.
All of you know what is a spherical ball? Here, Katori is there now? Katori. Okay.
So the inner radius is 5 centimeter. That the thickness is 0.1. The outer cross surface. So the outer radius will be inner radius plus thickness, which is 5.25 centimeter.
Have you followed that line? Inner radius small letter r is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Thickness is equal to how much? 0.25. Outer radius means inner radius plus thickness. That is 5.25 centimeter. I want to searching for the formula. Then outer CSA, same CSA as the hemisphere. What is the formula? 2 pi r square. So right, small r is equal to. Let's assembly in the same. R is equal to 5 centimeter. Thickness is equal to how much? 0.25 centimeter. Therefore, capital R is equal to 5 plus 0.25. 5.25. Are you doing, my dear friend? That is, can you convert pi 1 by 4? That is equal to 21 upon 4 centimeter. CSA 2 pi r square. Capital R square round the whole. That is 2 times 22 by 7 times 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. Cancel first. Make it a fraction. So you have to find out how to CSA. Again, these all cancellations are done. This one. Same multiplication and a lot of time we are done. Decimal make because only final answer have to get. How many of you got the answer? 2, 3. Hello, decimal girl. Sanika, decimal problem. Yes, Avni. 173.25. Is it or not?
Yes.
173.25 centimeters square. Oh.
Wow.
Oh. Okay. Understand or not? Be careful in division decimals. Okay, next question. That was are you followed my dear friend? This will be point. Yeah. Next one. Sixty read the question.
A right circular segment just encloses a sphere of radius r. Figure, find the surface area of the sphere, total surface area of the cylinder, ratio of the areas of the given.
Clear, you know, clear. You like football?
Ade.
Who's getting everything? Who's getting? World Cup, there is no Barcelona man. Club is not while playing the football World Cup. FIFA World Cup is going, you know. So who is the favorite team? Saudi. Are Saudi by like one time, you know, Saudi.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Awesome team. Japan. Japan. Huh? You get T20. T20.
Yes, sir.
All what you want.
I don't know what is
Okay, okay. Listen here. You can see there is a cylinder is and so it's a sphere is put into the cylinder. Okay, what is the height of the sphere? Not to look out there. Height of the sphere. What is height of the sphere? That is when you put the sphere, its height is same as the diameter. Okay, just the enclosures mean height of the sphere will be same as the height of the cylinder. Okay, so right. First you write radius of cylinder is equal to radius of sphere is equal to r. Radius of cylinder is equal to radius of sphere, which is equal to how many? R. That means you written all of you. Okay. Next, height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is equal to height of sphere, which is equal to 2r. 2r. Height of the sphere is equal to 2r. Now below it for sphere. For the sphere, what is it? R. Radius is equal to how much? R. Therefore, surface area, what is the formula? 4 pi r square. Unit is there in the question? No unit. 4 pi r square. Square units. Okay? Square units. Now, for the cylinder. Radius is equal to how much? Say radius is 2r. Radius is r only. Okay. Radius is equal to r. Height is equal to 2r. Therefore, surface area TSA is equal to 2 pi r times r plus h. Formula you remember, which is equal to how much? 2 pi r times r plus, what is the value of h? 2r. So r plus 2r is how much? 3r, that is 2 pi r into 3r. How much? 6 pi r square. That is that much square unit. Now what is the second part they asked? Ratio. Which ratio they asked? Ratio of 1:2. So what will you get? 4 pi r square divided by 3. So 6 pi r square.
2 by 3.
Cancel. How much you will get? 2 upon 3. The ratio is 2:3. Simple, because there is no values were there. That's it. Only one thing, height was there. But even value, no. Break you want? Priyanshi Yadav, should I read the mark? Priyanshi Yadav, science, 13. Ravish. Sarthak Kulkarni. Sorry. Sarthak. Mr. Sarthak.
But that is also
I
my.
told them, I'm giving no. Sarthak. Still is correct. Okay. Sarthak. English only you are studying?
No.
Maths you are not studying. I read the mark of maths. Okay. Ravish. Priyanshi. Honey. Krishti. Hello, Frankie. Why you people are not writing the test?
I got.
These two girls.
Got 70.
No, study that popular. Chalo, bye. The next class we will continue learn formula. Structural year to do it and yes, no.